Today, we are not just commemorating a legal milestone, but are deeply reflecting on the enduring impact on communities, individuals, and educational systems across the country.
Today's conversation was really about the legacy of Brown versus Board of Education. Part of what we got to talk about were some of the complexities of the history of that decision since.
The busing allowed our Black children to be bused to the various schools to create some form of diversity, but it didn't diversify the community. And there's possibly still some redlining occurring.
Instead of being told, here's the challenge with what's happening in your community, they were told their schools will be closed. Now give me a reason not to.
A lot of groups in civil rights consciously leveraged the international reputation of the United States to provide the political impetus for Brown versus Board of Education to happen.
If children cannot learn accurate and truthful history, our children will actually not be prepared.
One of the important things is it's bringing leading experts in education and social policy together with people with legal expertise and really thinking together about understanding the legacy of Brown versus Board of Education from both an educational and a legal perspective.
Part of white supremacy is the scarcity mentality of thinking that there's only enough resources for one group, and so we should focus maybe on one group without really seeing that these two groups have way much more in common than they have different.
What if we begin to shift this to think about it, moving away from scarcity and moving towards abundance? What if everyone has enough? For some of us, we are beneficiaries of Brown. We need to remember where we've been to help guide us for where we will go in the future.
This opportunity on this day of the 70th anniversary, I think it's just been an opportunity to understand that full history and what it is we can learn from that full history about how we need to move forward.